Hi friends, this is CA Paresh Desai from Sankalp Eduventture. Today we are going to see how to use an important tool in the stock market, which is a screener. Friends, normally if you want to find any particular criteria in a stock, we have to shift through hundreds and hundreds of stock to find out whether a particular stock fits into that particular criteria. For example, if you want a 5 EMA, okay, crossover, then you might have to shift through many stocks and then find yes, there is a 5 EMA crossover. But what if you could do that actually in a flash of a moment? Wouldn't that be great? Friends, I'm going to show you today an important tool which will help you do that. So let us start. So what we do is in Google, you can go to this site called as Chartink. So once you are in Chartink, a screen like this should open. Once you open this screen, you go over here which says create a scan. When you go to create a scan, this screen will open and you see a plus sign here. This is where you put in the criteria. So if I want to put a criteria where the price has closed above 5 EMA, so I go say, okay, I want to add this. So I said latest close means where the price has closed today. And the next I say would be crossed above. I want what crossed above 5 EMA, let us say. So I go to EMA and I select EMA. Now by default, the EMA will come as 20, but I wanted 5, so I'm going to change this to 5 EMA. So once I do this, one criteria is set. Now, if I want one more criteria, let's say I want 5 crossing over 13. So I go to this criteria again and I say EMA, but which EMA? Again, I want 5 EMA crossing over 13. So I change it to 5 EMA. Then I say crossed above. EMA, and here I go and put again as 5 because by default it comes to 20. I wanted to 5 crossed over 13, so I'll say 5 crossed over 13. Now if I put these two, it is this and this criteria. It is not this criteria or this criteria, which you have to note. So if you put two criteria, if you put two filters, all those stocks which will satisfy both these conditions are going to show up. I would like to put in one more criteria here. For example, when I put this, there'll be a lot of stocks which will be like 50 paisa, 1 rupee and 2 rupees. I don't want those type of stocks and unnecessarily crowd my file. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say let us close all those stocks which are greater than, let us say, 10 rupees. So only those stocks I want which are, let us say, greater than 10 rupees. So once I put this greater than 10 rupees, all three criteria now let us see how they are going to show up. So first one criteria would say that the latest close means the latest price has crossed above 5 EMA. Second criteria I've put is that the latest 5 EMA has crossed above 13 EMA. If you want similar one, you can put it as latest 13 EMA crossed over 26 also, or you could put another criteria as latest 5 EMA crossed over latest 26 EMA also. But right now I'm not putting that one. Let us see how this one is going to work. And the third one which I've put is where I don't want any stocks which are less than 10 rupees. Okay, so now I'm going to say run scan. The moment I say run scan, this opens up like a jadoo ki chadi. Okay, now look at this. These are all these stocks, right? I've got 15 stocks which have satisfied this criteria today. Which is that criteria? First is the price is closed above 5 EMA. Second one is I want that today the 5 EMA has crossed above 13 EMA. And the third one is that the price that is today's close is more than 10 rupees. This I put to avoid all those stocks which are less than 10 rupees. And lo and behold, I have got 15 stocks which are satisfying this criteria. Isn't it great, friends? I hope you have understood this and liked this video. If you're looking for more further interesting facts and techniques in technical analysis, do subscribe to my video YouTube channel. Friends, once again, this is CA Paresh Desai from Sankalp Eduventture. Thank you and have a great day.